back to my channel. So today's video, as you can see, we have the turkey here in the front of me. I'm gonna show you how to marinate this. This is perfect for like Thanksgiving, or you have gathering for your special occasion. So let's get started. Here's the ingredients: Mamacita's adobo mix, salt and pepper, thyme and sage, CAJUN and oregano, and we have fresh rosemary. We're also gonna be using 200 grams of butter, so we're going to melt this later with microwave. Also, I'm going to mince a lot of garlic because this will give a lot of flavor for our turkey marinade. I'll mix it with the chopped parsley and around 1 tablespoon of salt. So I melted the butter using microwave, and now we're gonna mix them together. Make sure you apply all over the turkey, and don't forget to apply inside and of course underneath the skin. It's very important, guys, because it's gonna absorb the ingredients. So when you apply the ingredients underneath the skin, just be careful and gentle because you don't want to rip off the skin. So this is the second layer of our marinade ingredients. So make sure that you apply all over the turkey, and don't forget to apply inside because it's very important, guys, to absorb the meat, all those ingredients. This is the challenging part when you put the ingredients underneath the skin. And like I keep telling you guys, it's very important to be careful because you're going to rip off the skin and you don't want to do that. So now we're done marinating the turkey, and it smells so good and it looks so good. I'm so excited. So after keeping our turkey in the fridge overnight, so this is how it looks the next day. So I'll just keep outside the fridge our turkey to be room temperature. I also chopped onion, potato, carrots, celery, and lemon. Also some rosemary. I also melted some butter. We're also gonna need some salt and pepper and parsley.